guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 really cute DIY Christmas slimes. I am just so excited to post my first Christmas video of the year, and I just thought it'd be super fun to make some Christmas slime, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content, and also some YouTube sneak peeks. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first Christmas slime I'm making is this Christmas light slime. So this one has a clear slime base with some glitter on the bottom, and it also has some Christmas lights on top. So to start off with this first Christmas slime, I'm adding some of this clear Elmer's glue, and I'm going to pour this into the bowl. And now, because I'm making a simple clear slime base, I'm not going to add any more ingredients besides the borax activator. Now when I activate my clear slimes, I like to over-activate them a little bit because they tend to melt down a lot when they sit, but if you like a stickier texture, you can just activate it normally. So here's the clear slime after it's been activated. So as you can see here, it's not very stretchy, but like I said earlier, they do tend to melt down a lot when they sit. So when my clear slimes are all cleared out, I'd rather them be a little bit too stiff than too sticky, because when they're too sticky, it's just kind of unsatisfying, and it's a little bit hard to play with. And now that the slime is made, the next step is to keep it in a container for a while so all of the bubbles can clear out, and then it will be a very crystal clear slime. So this process usually takes about a week or so, but to make it go faster, a tip that I found is if you keep it in a very large container, then it makes the slime a lot more shallow, and it doesn't take as long for it to clear out. So here's what the slime should look like after it's been sitting for a while. As you can see here, it looks so nice, it's so crystal clear. So this isn't the exact slime that you saw in the last clip, this is one that I already had made ready to go, but it was made with the exact same recipe. And finally, to put the slime all together, I'm adding some blue and silver glitter on the bottom of the container, then I'm putting the clear slime on top, and finally to top it off, I'm adding these super cute Christmas light charms that I found at Walmart. Now I'm not sure if these are real Christmas lights, but I still thought they would look super cute on top of a slime. So here's the Christmas light slime all completed. I am so happy with how this one turned out. I just love all the glitter and how clear it is, and it's just so satisfying to play with. So the slime didn't melt down as much as I thought it would, so it wasn't as stretchy, but I still really like the thick texture. So the second Christmas slime that I'm making is this super cute frosted sugar cookie slime. So to start off with this sugar cookie slime, I'm adding half white glue and half clear glue to give it a nice glossy base, and I'm going to pour both of these into the bowl. Next, to make the slime extra stretchy and soft, I'm going to mix in a few pumps of lotion. So the next ingredient that I'm adding is some foaming facial cleanser that I got from Walmart. This is a really good ingredient to add into glossy slime, it just gives it such a nice texture. And now it's time to activate the slime, so I'm just using borax activator. If you want the exact measurements, I'll be sure to have it in the description box down below. So I'm just going to keep mixing and adding this until the slime is fully activated. So now to make the sugar cookie, I'm going to use some of this white slime clay. So to color the cookie itself, I'm going to add some of this brown and yellow food coloring, and for the icing, I'm going to use red food coloring. So now that both pieces of clay are ready, it's time to start shaping it. So first I'm going to take the brown clay and flatten it using the palm of my hand, then I'm going to round out the edges using my finger. I'm going to do the same thing for the icing, and then I'm going to stack the two pieces on top of each other. And finally, to top it all off, I'm going to add some of these really cute red and green sprinkles. I think this sugar cookie slime turned out so cute. I just love all the Christmassy colors, and the clay piece was also so satisfying to mix in. The slime also has such a great texture. It's so soft and inflating, and it's just so satisfying to play with. So the third Christmas slime that I'm making is this peppermint candy cane slime. So this candy cane slime is going to be a very nice and soft butter slime. So for the base, I'm just doing a very simple school glue slime with also a few pumps of lotion. And now it's time to activate the slime, and again I'm just using borax activator, but if you want the exact measurements, I'll be sure to have it in the description box down below. So I'm just going to keep slowly mixing and adding it in until the slime is fully activated. So now that the base of the slime is finished, I'm going to split it into 2 equal parts, then I'm going to mix in some Daiso clay to turn it into a butter slime. So to get that awesome candy cane red color, I'm going to mix a half a brick of red Daiso clay into one slime and some white Daiso clay into the other. So now that both slimes are ready, it's time to put it all together. So first I'm going to take both slimes and swirl them together and put it into a container. Then I'm going to top it off using some white glitter and this super cute candy cane charm. I absolutely love how this candy cane slime turned out. It was just so satisfying mixing the two colors together, and I just really liked the end result. The slime has such a smooth and creamy texture, and it's just so much fun to play with. You'll have to comment down below and tell me your favorite slime texture. I would love to know. Mine are definitely butter slimes. I just love how smooth and creamy they are, and they're just so satisfying to play with. So the last Christmas slime that I'm making is this super cute Christmas tree slime. So this Christmas tree slime is going to have a very nice thick and glossy texture, so to make the slime nice and thick, I'm using glue wall instead of normal school glue. Next, to make the slime extra stretchy and soft, I'm going to mix in a few pumps of lotion. So the next ingredient that I'm adding is a few pumps of foaming facial cleanser. Again, this is a really good ingredient to add into thick and glossy slimes, it just makes it so nice. Next, to give the slime a really nice green color, I'm mixing 2 different shades of green food coloring. And now it's time to activate the slime. Again, I'm just using borax activator, so I'm going to keep slowly mixing and adding this in until the slime is fully activated. So now that the slime is made, the next step is to let it sit in the container for about 24 hours or so it can become super thick and glossy. I recommend letting it sit for longer because the longer it sits, the glossier it will be. So here's what the slime looks like after one day. As you can see here, it's looking really good. So now to put the slime all together, I'm adding these mini star-shaped glitters and also some rainbow foam beads. And finally, I'm going to top it off with this super cute Christmas tree charm. So here's the Christmas tree slime all completed. I am just so happy with how this one turned out. I just love all the glitter and the add-ins, and I just think the foam beads look so cute on the slime. This thick and glossy texture is just so nice. It's so nice and stretchy, and it has great clicking noises and bubble pops. I'm just so happy with how all 4 of these slimes turned out, and I just think they would make great Christmas gifts. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part about Christmas. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!